Have you ever wondered how to become a YouTube partner? Well, being a YouTube partner is an exciting journey that opens up a world of opportunities. When you become a partner, you gain the ability to monetize your content, access exclusive features and tools, and join a community of creators just like you. Imagine the thrill of turning your passion into a thriving career, all while creating content that resonates with your audience. So, if you're excited to unlock these features and benefits, let's dive into the process. The first step to becoming a YouTube partner is meeting YouTube's eligibility requirements. So, what exactly are these requirements? Well, there are two main boxes that you need to tick. Firstly, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Secondly, you need to accumulate either 4,000 public watch hours or 10 million views on YouTube Shorts within the past year. Achieving these numbers may seem daunting, but remember, the key is to create engaging content that resonates with your viewers. Content that they want to watch, share, and come back to. This will not only help you meet the requirements faster, but will also set the foundation for a successful YouTube career. Remember, meeting these requirements is just the first step, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through the rest. Once you've met the requirements, it's time to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. To start, simply navigate to the YouTube website. Once there, you'll want to click on your account icon at the top right corner, and then select YouTube Studio. From there, you'll find a tab on the left side labeled Monetization. Click on this tab, and you'll find the option to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. During the application process, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself and your channel. This includes your full legal name, your channel name, and a valid email address. Once you've submitted your application, YouTube will review it to ensure you meet all the eligibility requirements. Finally, after you've applied, the waiting game begins. YouTube typically takes about 1 month to review applications, but this can vary. After applying, it's time to wait. But while you're waiting, there are other steps you can take to prepare. While you're waiting for approval, it's a perfect time to set up AdSense and review YouTube's policies. AdSense is Google's advertising platform that you'll need to earn money from your YouTube videos. To set up an AdSense account, you'll need to head over to the AdSense website and follow the step-by-step instructions. Once you've set up your account, you'll need to link it to your YouTube channel. This is done through the monetization page in your YouTube account settings. But it's not just about setting up AdSense. Understanding and complying with YouTube's policies and guidelines is equally important. These policies include community guidelines, copyright policies, and advertising guidelines, among others. Ignorance of these policies is not an excuse, and non-compliance could lead to strikes against your account or even suspension from the YouTube Partner Program. Setting up AdSense and understanding YouTube's policies are crucial steps in becoming a successful YouTube partner. So, you've met the requirements, applied for the program, and set up AdSense. What's next? Let's quickly recap. You've worked hard to meet the eligibility criteria, acquiring 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours or 10 million views on YouTube Shorts within a year. You've applied for the YouTube Partner Program and patiently awaited approval. Finally, you've set up an AdSense account and familiarized yourself with YouTube's policies and guidelines. But the journey doesn't end here. The real work begins now. As a YouTube partner, you have the opportunity to earn revenue, but to do so, you need to keep your audience engaged. Continue to create content that resonates with your viewers. Be consistent, be original, and most importantly, be yourself. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, value their feedback. They are your community, your supporters, and your inspiration. Keep them at the forefront of your content creation process. Remember, becoming a successful YouTube partner is not about chasing numbers. It's about building relationships, creating value, and sharing your unique perspective with the world. Don't get disheartened if success doesn't come overnight. It's a journey, and every journey has its ups and downs. Stay persistent, stay passionate, and success will come. Becoming a YouTube partner is an exciting journey. With these steps, you're well on your way. So get out there and start creating.